So no doubt you've heard that TikTok is an amazing platform for traffic, right? You've probably heard that there are people that are absolutely crushing it using TikTok, getting hundreds of thousands of views and getting their links clicked on and making a lot of money. But how do you step into that for real? Like how could you possibly just suddenly have a load of viral videos? Well, you could do that if they were done for you. So let me show you something that I think you're going to be pretty impressed with. I'm just going to stick my headphones on here to make sure that you can hear this.
Like eagles fly alone. Zuckerberg has no mates. Elon Musk has no mates. Steve Jobs had no mates. Bill Gates has no mates. And I can go on.
Right, so imagine if you had videos like this.
Advice to an entrepreneur, somebody trying to start a business?
Well, today is very tough. Tomorrow is more tougher. The day after tomorrow is beautiful.
Sometimes life's going to hit you in the head with a brick.
Imagine if you had videos like that, right? Do you think that you could achieve something if you were to be able to upload these videos online?
Many years ago, I had this conversation with my mentor.
There's a lot of people here that are very interested in starting their own companies.
I want to talk about dreams for a second. And in my case, literally a dream. It was kind of a strange dream.
Now you know that these are going to go viral, right? But how could you get your hands on them, and wouldn't it cost a lot of money? Well, you'd be very, very surprised. You can get your hands on a ton of these, all right? So let me just take you inside this members area to show you 100 business gurus videos, 100 mindset guru videos, 100 finance gurus, 100 entrepreneur gurus videos, 100 fitness gurus videos. That's 500 there alone, right? And so you think, well, how much is that going to cost me? So it's going to cost you $17, but that's not all you get. This is just part of what you get inside this program. You get a ton of training, and you get the ability to have a done-for-you funnel, a done-for-you offer, done-for-you campaigns, build your list as well, and get all of these, right? So you've got clips of wealth, luxury, wealth, cars. So let me just take a look at this, for example. Let's click on play here. Well, you get the idea. You can see that they're not going to struggle to go viral, are they? But you can get, as I said, you can get your hands on these for just $17. And it's just part of this new program that's been released called Upload and Bank, which really takes care of everything when it comes to making money online, all right? So as you can see here in the members area, you've got a ton of information and a ton of training. So the main training modules: making money online, why are you here, let me explain, definitions, money, your done for you campaign, different bonus approach, the machine, customers, having the strategy, pre-advice, pre-traffic advice, what you should have done, best practices to adopt, right? And all of this is leading to using these videos to go viral on TikTok. I mean, you can put them wherever you like, to be honest with you. Instagram, YouTube Shorts, etc., and building a ton of traffic, followers, getting clicks, and putting all these into a done for you offer as well. So the done for you offer, let me just show you that. So you're going to get the ability to give this away, right? This says VIP private invitation, brand new opportunity for 2024. There's a video here, and you can see all these that have claimed their free system rolling up as we're sitting here. So when you give it away, people are going to click on this, they're going to go through to the checkout cart on Warrior Plus, and it's going to be free. But when anybody buys any of the upsells, and there's a big long full funnel, you're going to get commissions for that, okay? You've also got done for you campaigns, done for you swipes, all sorts of, like, just everything literally done for you. And of course, those videos to get you the traffic. So on top of that, they're going to teach you how to build your own email list. They also give you access to a free funnel builder that you can use to build your own funnels. You know, it's literally everything that you'd need in order to start making money online. Now, to help you with this, I'm also going to give you the opportunity to give away my AI Prodigy and my List Prodigy. Now, not only that, I'm going to give you the bonuses that came with them, because all you need to do as well is buy through my link and you will get the bonuses. Now when I say buy, it's free to get these, okay? So this is my AI Prodigy review page. All you need to do is come through here, click on this button. If you buy through this link, it's going to be free. So I'll show you that as this loads up. The sales page, you see it's free. You click on this, and then what you want to do is you want to make sure you're cookie to me on this one. So just hover down the bottom here, you see it says ref 574439 Trevor Carr, and it's free, okay? So grab that so you've got it, because then when you do that, you'll get this bonus bundle, right, which is huge. You're going to get all of this, look, all of this. It's just insane. All right, a massive bonus bundle there. And then the same with the List Prodigy, okay? So List Prodigy, click on my link. It's just going to open that up in a new tab here. You'll come through to the sales page. You'll be able to buy this for free. Check that you're cookie to me, so you click on that, and then down here you can see it says ref 574439, okay? Now the reason that I'm saying buy these is because, again, on this one, if you buy it through me, you're going to get all of these bonuses as well, ready and waiting for you inside your Warrior Plus account. So just to summarize there, what I'm saying, so with Upload and Bank, you're going to get all the training and the done for you funnels, the done for you campaigns, done for you swipes. You're going to get all those hundreds and hundreds of viral videos to get you traffic, to get you subscribers, to get you clicks, to build your email list. You're also going to get a done for you funnel where you can give away the front offer and you can earn commissions on any upsells that people buy, okay? Now, what I'm going to give you are 2 more funnels, right? 2 more giveaway rights, and that's AI Prodigy and List Prodigy, and you're going to get full access to the actual programs themselves, AI Prodigy and List Prodigy, and you're going to get all my bonuses there as well, which is enormous. All right, so as you can see, this is now stacking up to be a really crazy deal. If you've already got this, don't worry, then all the bonuses, all the extra bonuses that I'm talking about now, you will find will be added to the bonus access doc. If you haven't already got this, then I do urge you to get it as soon as you can before these bonuses run out. So you have Upload and Bank, you have the training, you have the done for you system, the done for you funnels, campaigns, swipes, everything that you need there, and all of those done for you viral videos in the hundreds, and they're all really good, really nice quality. Then you're going to get the rights to give away AI Prodigy and List Prodigy. You're also going to get the ability to buy those for free and get all of those bonuses that I showed you on those 2 as well. Plus, I'm going to give you the following bonuses. So you're also going to get the vendor's Mail for Cash program, which you can see here. You're going to get that, plus all of the available upgrades on that as well. Full funnel on that. And you're going to get this program, which is the Aeon Wealth System and all the upgrades on that. And you're going to get this program, which is Imperium and all the upgrades on that. And I've got 2 more as well to give you. So you're going to get Galaxy 10 and AMZ Automator as well. All right, and all their upsells. All right, so all of that is worth $5,000 as a full package. So as you can see, this is like, it's just bonkers. So what I like to say is, when you're gonna get all these bonuses when you just buy the front end. So you just spend $17, you're gonna get everything I've told you about. Okay, so that's me spoiling you rotten. But because I'm giving you 5 extra full funnels with all their bonuses, all their upgrades, sorry, then you are well in front of the money. So when it comes to Upload and Bank, with this amazing system of uploading TikTok videos that are done for you and getting all that traffic and everything else, if you see any upgrades in Upload and Bank that you like the look of, then you can think to yourself, well, like, Trev's given me $5,000 worth of programs here, so you're well ahead. All right, you're well ahead of the money. It's almost like you could think, well, any of these upsells that I buy aren't really going to effectively cost me anything, because I've got so much value from all the bonuses that Trev's given me. Okay, so that's it, guys. Look, if you've ever wondered if you could get into the kind of viral video scene without having to create your own videos, then this is the fastest way to do it. You get hundreds and hundreds of videos, plus the training on what to do with them, because like just going out there and uploading videos, you're not really going to get very far. But when you've got a system in place that builds your list, gets you sales, earns you commissions, and you have all the training to do that, and it's very simple, very easy to follow, then I think this makes this a complete and utter no-brainer. Okay, so in order to get everything that I've talked about, all you need to do is click the link below this video. Go through, check that you are Cook It To Me on that checkout page, the page where you pay your money, the page where it's got the price, the Warrior Plus page. It will say a vendor at the top, not that. Down the bottom, there's a little round person icon on the checkout page. Hover over that and you will see my name pop up if you are Cook It To Me. If you are, then you'll get instant access to my bonus doc with all the bonuses that I've told you about inside your Warrior Plus account. All right. Hopefully you can see that this is a no-brainer, and if you haven't picked it up already, you absolutely need to do that right now, because my bonus bundles are going very, very quickly. So go ahead, do that now. Click on the button below this, or the link below this video, go through to the sales page, click on the buy button, check your Cook It To Me, buy, and then you will be served some of the upsells. If you like the look of those upsells, maybe take a few of those to help you get started with this so you can really explode this and take it to the moon. Okay? As always, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And in the meantime, I wish you and yours all the very best. You take care.